All right, folks, let me show you how to apply Tuff Toe to a work boot. The keys to a successful application are watching this video, reading the instructions, doing a good job prepping the boot, and equalizing the cartridge, which I'm going to show you what that's all about. Sandpaper's included, everything you need, so I've already sanded this down. I've taped this off with electrical tape. So I've got it sanded. And the key is called, to getting a successful application, is equalizing the cartridge, which that means we remove the tip, we dispense some of the material on here to make sure side A and B are reaching the tip at the same time, or the cartridge tip. Then we put the mixer tip on and we dispense about a 2-inch line of material, ensuring that we're getting a proper mix. This is already sanded, good to go. So you want to start at the welt, and we're just going to go up and back between the tape and the welt. You want to go nice and slow so you can control the flow, and the slower you go, the thicker you can build it. You also want to make sure that you're keeping the tip embedded in the material that you've already laid down. That ensures a nice, smooth application. As soon as you get it on there, if you need to use the popsicle stick provided to clean it up, get it where you need to go, and then you immediately want to remove the tape. Then you're going to rotate the shoe. I like to have it point down, so if it's going to pool anywhere, it's going to pool right here where your hardware area. And rotate the shoe for a couple of minutes. That's it.